Go, 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 quick.
Go, 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 go.
You right?
Yeah, I made it.
Oh, your gun's
Unscheduled disassembly of my rifle.
Is that all right?
You good?
Yeah, I made it.
No, it kind of snapped.
Is that
Oh, it's been like this brass stuffed into it. What's where?
I don't know. Oh, sorry, mate. You brought you gun at me. Oh, I'm gonna shoot him just for funny. Nah, no, I really want to shoot him. No, hello.
Hello everybody and welcome back to another Airsoft video. In this episode I'm using my new Mimtech ghillie suit and my weapon of choice is my Maple Leaf MLC 338. If you enjoy these Airsoft videos, make sure to like and subscribe for more in the future. But anyway, let's get into it.
Hey.
Right, that's all the blue jets and on the... Right, start on the whistle!
Huh?
He's in the back. Can't even see him.
I think. Oh, there. Good. Spent hours on it. Got someone? Yeah, there's another one. Yeah, yeah, and the crate's where we normally go. Is that their spawn? Is that their spawn?
I'm not sure.
I've never seen them spawn there. I'm on your team.
I'm just shooting them until we get told off.
Is that their spawn? Because I've never seen them spawn there before. It's not.
Well done.
If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like and subscribe for more airsoft content. If you want to help me grow this channel, consider commenting on how I can do better and what you want to see next time. If you want to see me go up against 3,000 players at the UK's biggest airsoft event, make sure to click the video on screen now. But anyway, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.